Behind every golden crispy piece of KFC chicken lies a fascinating journey through industrial food production. Have you ever wondered how millions of pieces of chicken are transformed from simple raw ingredients into these iconic, flavor-packed meals? Join us as we uncover KFC's massive food manufacturing process, which brings this secret recipe to your plate in just minutes. Imagine being rejected over 1,000 times, yet still managing to build a global chicken empire. That's exactly what Colonel Sanders accomplished. Harlan Sanders, born on September 9, 1890 in Indiana, had a rocky start. In his 40s, while managing a gas station in Kentucky, Sanders began serving meals to travelers, his fried chicken becoming his specialty. In 1935, he opened his first restaurant, which he named Kentucky Fried Chicken, and received the honorary title of Colonel from the Governor of Kentucky. Despite his success, Sanders faced obstacles, including a fire at his restaurant, and the loss of customers due to the construction of a new highway. Forced to franchise his recipe, he faced numerous rejections before finding his first partner in 1952. By 1964, at the age of 74, Sanders had already grown KFC into a network of over 600 franchises. Chicken, a central element of KFC's menu, is sourced from various poultry suppliers around the world. KFC is committed to serving high-quality chicken, while adhering to strict safety and ethical standards. Its suppliers must follow guidelines covering animal welfare, food safety, and environmental sustainability. To ensure these standards are met, KFC conducts regular audits of its suppliers. These checks verify that animals are treated humanely, food safety procedures are followed, and sustainable practices are implemented. Many suppliers are also certified by organizations like the Global Food Safety Initiative, which enforces strict food safety standards. By working with responsible suppliers, KFC ensures that its chicken is not only delicious, but also ethically and sustainably sourced, providing customers with meals they can trust. Upon arrival, the chickens are humanely stunned, so they are unconscious and insensitive to pain before being quickly slaughtered. The feathers are then removed using a hot water bath. Followed by a run through a machine equipped with hundreds of small rotating rubber fingers that remove the feathers. The exterior of the chicken is then cleaned with high-pressure water and food-safe solutions to remove any remaining feathers, dirt, and debris. Finally, the internal cavity is rinsed with clean water to remove blood and tissue. The legs are usually the first parts to be removed. Next, a belly cutter is used to remove the chicken's internal organs. It makes a precise cut around the vent, then uses suction or forceps to remove organs such as the intestines, liver, heart, and lungs all at once. Each chicken is inspected by both factory workers and USDA inspectors for disease or defects, such as bruises. Only a small percentage of birds are rejected. Chickens that meet standards after rigorous quality checks are then sent to an automated process where they are separated into different parts. The chickens are placed on an automated conveyor where they are precisely positioned using hooks or clamps. This ensures that each chicken is correctly oriented so that the cutting machines can do their job efficiently. Key parts, such as the breast, are cut with great precision using specialized machinery. The process begins by loading the front halves onto special racks that hold the chicken firmly. Special cutting tools, programmed according to a predefined recipe, automatically make precise cuts to ensure consistent product quality. Once the birds are pre-cut, they are transported to manual harvesting stations, where fillets and tenders are hand-selected to ensure optimal quality and yield. After the meat has been carefully separated from the bones, it is scanned using advanced X-ray bone detection technology to identify any remaining fragments. The pieces flagged by the machine are sent for manual inspection, where workers manually remove any bone residue. The boneless meat is then sent to an intelligent processing line that releases products only when they meet the requirements for a production batch. The chicken pieces, primarily drumsticks, thighs, and breasts, are delivered fresh or frozen to KFC restaurants.
Make it pop like this. Make it not like this. Make it drop.
Finally, the chicken is marinated in a proprietary blend of herbs and spices, a critical step that infuses the meat with the distinctive flavors for which KFC is famous. The recipe for this seasoning blend is a closely guarded secret. After marinating, the chicken is coated in KFC's signature breading mix, which includes flour and a unique assortment of spices. This process ensures an even coating, creating the characteristic crispy texture of KFC chicken. At the heart of KFC's famous fried chicken is an ingenious invention from Colonel Sanders, the pressure fryer. Unlike traditional frying, where the chicken is submerged in open oil, the pressure fryer encloses the chicken in a special chamber filled with hot oil. As it heats, the fryer generates pressure that helps trap the moisture that would normally escape during conventional frying. This process results in chicken that is not only crispy on the outside, but also incredibly tender and juicy on the inside, delivering that perfect bite that everyone loves. Freshly fried chicken, golden brown to perfection, is served piping hot, either in individual pieces or in meals accompanied by toppings and drinks. This is how these wonderful KFC puffs are made to offer you a tasty and enjoyable moment. Every time you enjoy these tender and crispy KFC chicken, remember the process that allowed you to give this great meal. KFC is so good. If you are wondering how to make homemade KFC, subscribe and like the video. We will definitely make it a topic in a video. Until then, don't forget to like the video and subscribe by hitting the bell. KFC is so good.